Hello guys, welcome back to Unique Vid channel, and I'm happy you're here today. If you are a first-time viewer, kindly click the subscribe button so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be the first person as a VIP to get it. Now today we'll be showing you how to stop your phone from hanging. You know, many people have been complaining, my Android phone has been hanging here and there, my Android phone has been hanging here and there. You try to delete almost everything and yet you still find your phone hanging. Today I'm going to show you a few steps so you attest your phone can actually work perfectly without even hanging a bit. Now write with me and become a developer while you make your phone stop hanging. It's a very simple step and you don't have anything to worry about. Let's get to it. First thing we have to do is to click on our settings here and then look for storage. Yeah, you open storage, you click on internal storage. Now if you look at this internal storage, there are people that get their cache data clicking on the internal storage directly, and there are other people that click on this 56 you can see there to get theirs. Now if you look at here, you see that there is nothing like cache data, and then so we have to go to that round circle where you see 56. That's where we get ours from. You click on it and then it's going to go through few processes. As you can see, this phone is actually hanging, so we're going to make it stop hanging right now. Now you clean, this will scan, you ask for you to ask you for rights and privileges, you accept, and then it scans, and when it's done scanning, we'll have to fast forward this a little bit so that when it stops scanning we'll continue. Okay, so it's done scanning now. Let's continue. We're cleaning up the junks and everything that is making the system lag. This is part of why your system is hanging. It's part of why your Android phone is hanging. Now you're done. The next thing we have to do is to go back to settings again. You go back to settings. Here you'll be a developer. Just watch. Now you look for about phone. Click on the systems down and then scroll down to about phones. Now you click on the about phone and then you look for the build number. You look for the build number and then tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can see you are now a developer. Then you go back. You go back. Yeah. So we have to look for some things that we have to change. You know, we have to change the default setting of this. Now you look for. You click on the window animation scale. Yeah, and animation off. You click on the transition animation scale, animation off. You click on the animator duration scale, animation off. Now, this is it. Just go back and then look at how fast your phone is. You're done with everything. You can just restart your system, restart your phone, and then see how very fast it is. Welcome back. I believe that was really very helpful. Now your system can be as fast as an iOS, right? I get it. Now, if this was very helpful, kindly click the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and then let us know how helpful this was under the comment section. We'll be glad to receive this. This will encourage us to show you other tips, to do other videos for you to learn new things.